Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna with mayo. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, thoroughly drained, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite mayonnaise, and 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery for that essential crunch. Don't forget a teaspoon of Dijon mustard to add a little zing. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. Take your well-drained tuna and flake it into a medium-sized bowl. Next, add the mayonnaise, chopped celery, and Dijon mustard. Gently combine all the ingredients, ensuring everything is evenly distributed. Finally, season with about 1/8 teaspoon of salt and a dash of black pepper. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed for your perfect flavor profile. Want to make your tuna salad truly yours? Try adding 1 tablespoon of finely chopped red onion for a bit of sharpness. A half teaspoon of fresh lemon juice can brighten up the flavors beautifully. For extra protein and texture, stir in 1 chopped hard-boiled egg. You can also sprinkle in a pinch of paprika for a touch of color and a subtle, smoky note. Experiment to find your favorite combination. Your delicious homemade tuna salad is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, or scooped onto crackers for a quick snack. For a lighter option, try it as a filling in crisp lettuce wraps. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.